Hey everybody, it's Abby with Cricut. Today we're going to learn how to attach a positive space design when you're using your Cricut Mug Press. So that's a design where you've got two separate pieces on either side of your mug. There's two main ways to do this, but either way you always want to start with lint rolling your mug really thoroughly to make sure there's no dust or lint that might appear on your final project, especially since you have a lot of white space. So here's the first way. I like to lay my mug down, but you see the handle tips it to the side if I don't prop it up on anything. So I actually like to use my lint roller as a little bit of a hack to prop the mug up so that the face is right side up. So now you'll see I'm going to take the first side of my design and apply it to the face of the mug, press it down on the sticky parts to make sure that it's attached, and now I can flip my mug over and do the exact same thing. So I'm going to prop that side up on my lint roller and grab the second side of my design. Depending on your design, you might need to attach with heat-resistant tape. This one has a bit of the liner showing, but you still might want, which makes it a little bit stickier, but you still want to secure your design. So let's do that again. Another way to do this is to look at your mug from the top and then place a piece of heat-resistant tape across the top of your mug, indicating the center on each side. We find this really helpful. I also like to use heat-resistant tape in case I forget to take it off before I put it in my press. So now that I've got the center of the faces of my mug aligned, I can apply my design really easily. I have been handling this a little bit, so it's not quite as sticky as I'd like it to be, so I am going to apply some heat-resistant tape later. But look how easy that is to identify the exact center of the faces of your mug to align your design. So now I'll remove that top piece, that indicator piece, and I'll lint roll my design one more time just because I've been handling it a lot and I want to make sure that the entire thing is perfectly clean. Now it's time to secure my design. It's coming up a little bit and I want to make sure that it's attached really tight to the body of my mug. So there's just a couple of little spots where I'm going to put a little bit of tape and then I'm ready to press. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you make.